Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make honey chili potato. So before start this video, you know already what to do. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. This potato chili is very easy to make. Only these few ingredients are required. As you see, only this much. Chili flakes, honey, potato, capsicum and garlic. So first I'm going to use this peeled potato and cut into a finger shaped. It is not necessary that all the shape of a potato should be equal or should be same to same texture. So if it is little bit different shape, it is okay, not a problem. As you see, my all potatoes are different in shape. If something is too much thick, I'm going to make it thin. So after cutting all my potatoes, as you see, it is ready now. So now I'm going to parboil this. The temperature of water is already high. I'm going to parboil this only for 1 minute. So it is a tips for you, do not boil this potato for more than 1 minute because it will start sticking with each other and also it lose their starch and it become meshy. So my potatoes are ready. Now I'm going to take this out. As you see, it is not looking mashy. It looks so firm. So after taking out, I'm not going to add any kind of seasoning. I didn't add seasoning in the water also. Okay. So after taking out, now I'm going to add this corn flour. Why I'm adding corn flour? Because when I'm going to fry this, it will give a very crispy texture to my french fries. So after marinating this now I'm going to fry this in a refined oil. Do not put all the french fries together. With one small batches you can put. So I'm not going to fry this till the golden brownish in color. So I'm going to half done this. So it is now half done and now I'm going to take this out. Likewise, I fried all rest of the potatoes. Half done. So why I'm doing this? Because if I will fry all the potatoes together, it will become soggy. It will not become crispy. So my half done potatoes are ready. So in the meantime, I'm going to make a sauce for it. So what all ingredients I have to make a sauce, I will show you. First I'm adding chopped garlic, followed by chopped onions and then capsicum dice. So after sauteing all these three ingredients, I'm going to add chili flakes, and then I'm going to add tomato ketchup. 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, little bit of honey, and then dark soya. Do not add too much dark soya. A pinch or a little bit or 10 ml, it's more than enough. So as you see, only these few ingredients, my sauce is ready. No need to add salt, black pepper, sugar or tomato puree or tomato paste, all this ingredient. So this easy ingredient, most of the house are available. So now I'm going to fry again my french fries, and this is the last time. So batch wise I'm frying. As you see, now it become ready, very crispy and very brownish in color. So now I'm going to add on my sauce. If you do not like to eat in a sauce, you can eat by adding salt in it as a french fries. But if you wanted to try this honey chili potato at your house, it is very easy to make. Just like that, I'm going to fold it very slowly, and done, it's ready. So now I'm going to plate this. It smells so good. It is very crispy, very tasty. And if you wanted to avoid spiciness, you should not add red chili flakes. But if you like spicy, go for it and try this delicious food at your house. So I'm going to finish it with sesame, white sesame. And it is ready. So I hope you like my video, you enjoyed how I made this, and please try at your house. It is very easy to make and very healthy. No need to buy from the restaurant. So the restaurant style food you can make at your house. Thank you so much for watching.